Promoting products on a Facebook shop involves strategic content, advertising, and engagement to attract potential buyers. Optimize shop appearance. Ensure your Facebook shop is visually appealing and organized. Use high-quality images, clear descriptions, and categorize products for easy navigation. Compelling product showcasing. Share eye-catching product posts, videos, or carousel ads that highlight your offerings. Use engaging captions and emphasize product features, benefits, and any special offers. Facebook ads. Utilize Facebook Ads Manager to create targeted ad campaigns specifically showcasing your shop products. Use detailed targeting based on demographics, interests, behavior, or retargeting to reach potential buyers. Live shopping events. Host live shopping experiences showcasing your products on Facebook Live. Interact with viewers, demonstrate products, answer questions, and offer exclusive deals during the event. Customer reviews and testimonials. Encourage customers to leave reviews and testimonials on your shop's products. Positive feedback builds trust and influences potential buyers. Promotions and discounts. Run promotions, discounts, or limited time offers exclusively for your Facebook shop. Highlight these deals in your posts or ads to attract buyers. Engage with your audience. Respond promptly to comments, messages, and inquiries. Engage with your audience by sharing user-generated content or conducting polls and contests. Monitor performance and adapt. Regularly review Facebook Insights to analyze the performance of your posts, ads, and products. Adapt your strategy based on what drives the most engagement and conversions.